Hello and welcome to your ELA/Global/World History final project. We're calling it the Globella project. So welcome to that. First and foremost, congratulations, guys. You've made it to the end of this ridiculous trimester. And we are so proud of the work that you guys have put in over the last few months. It hasn't been easy, and so many of you have been keeping up and doing so incredible. We are so proud of you again, and hope that we can go out really strong with this final project. So today we are giving you assignment 1 of your final project. So this project is the end. This is your biggest grade of the trimester, and it is going to count as a grade for both your English and your history classes. So that's what's making it even bigger. It's going to be over 100 points. So you really want to take this seriously. And that's what it says right there. So again, this is going to count as a grade in both ELA and global history or world history. And it's really going to bring together a lot of the things that you've been learning in both ELA and in global. So you're going to be doing some reading, some writing, and then also some creative parts. This project is going to be divided into 3 assignments, and you're going to see there's different due dates for all of them. And we'll give you a calendar too, just so you know what's going on and when things are going to be due. So everything is going to be posted in your ELA Google Classroom, but sometimes you'll be seeing announcements from your global history teachers as well. So you might see something from Mr. Fernandez, Mr. Carone, Mr. Matua, or myself, Miss Anderson. So first, though, today we are looking at assignment 1 and just assignment 1. I'll go over assignment 2 a little bit and assignment 3, but assignment 1 is the one that we're looking at today. So for assignment 1, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be looking into some of the issues that have been becoming a lot more evident during coronavirus. So you're going to be reading an article about one of these issues, and you get to pick the article that you're going to read. We gave you some choices. So we're assigning it today, Wednesday, but you'll have until the end of Monday, which is your ELA day, to complete it. We know some of you are catching up on work right now. That's why we'll give you a nice reminder on Sunday as well to finish this by Monday night. So as you'll see, it says assignment 1 again is due Monday, June 1st. It also shows you the points that's going to be. So it breaks down, it's half ELA, half global history points, all right? So don't worry about assignments 2 and 3 yet. They're not in this document. This is just assignment 1. But assignment 2 is basically you're going to be writing a letter to a politician about the issue you read about in week 1 or assignment 1. And then assignment 3 is you're going to be kind of thinking about what are some of the things that you've been reflecting on and thinking about during coronavirus. And you're going to be making a kind of reflective project. As you'll see, these have different due dates, but everything is going to be due. All of this will be due on Wednesday, June 10th, which is your final history day. And again, all the points are listed here. So I'm going to jump down to assignment 1. You'll see there's a bookmark here. Whenever you see a bookmark, that kind of means like you can follow this and it's going to take you right there, which is really cool. So assignment 1, basically, you're probably freaking out right now because you're seeing that this document is 28 pages. You are not doing 28 pages of work. You're only going to be doing maybe about 5 pages of work. So do not freak out. There's a lot of pages. But it says you aren't completing every single page. You're just reading about one thing. So you're going to be reading about an issue that's become more evident during coronavirus. So for assignment 1, it gives you kind of the lowdown. So you're going to read one article in total. Again, just one. Not all 6 of them that are listed here. Just one, okay? So to begin, you're going to pick one of the articles to read, and you're going to write your choice. I'll show you that in a second. Then you'll click on this right here. You click on the blue article link, and it's going to bring you to a bookmark. It's going to bring you to that article, and then you're going to read the article and answer the ELA and global questions. It does say extra credit. Some of you love getting extra credit. If you want to read the second article in that topic, so let's say you want to read about racism in America and you want to read article 1, and you're like, yeah, I love 10 extra credit points. You can also read article 2. You could read another article from one of the other issues too, if you'd like to as well. So again, it says you must read at least one article and answer the questions by Monday, June 1st. So as you'll scroll down, you'll see we gave you three topics that we felt like have become really important. Not that they haven't always been important, but have become way more talked about during this. So one is racism in America. The next one is the environmental issues. And the last one is economic issues. So issues about money. So we gave you 6 different articles to pick from. You, again, are only picking one. So what you're going to do is you're going to read the little blurb about the different articles. So like article 1 is about how coronavirus is impacting Black and Latino people the most. Second one is about racism towards Asians. This one's about how humans are impacting the environment. This one's about how the environment's changing. This one's about students who receive free meals from school. And this one's about unemployment. So you're going to read those quick little blurbs and go, which one of those things sounds the most interesting to me? Let's say you're like, I'm really interested in hearing about racism related to Asians. So you would click on that. Well, actually, first, you're actually going to write your choice here. So you would say topic, racism in America. That's the topic you're interested in. You're going to say article 2. That's it. That's showing us that you picked an article. Let's say you want to do 2. You could also say article 1 and 2. So you want to read both of those. Okay. So let's say though you're really interested in article 2. You're going to go back up here, and where you see a blue link, anytime you see a blue link, that means it's going to take you somewhere. And it says bookmark. So it's going to, you click on that, and it takes you right to the article here. That's so you don't have to open up a separate whole new Google Doc. Everything is in here. That's why it's so many pages. So what you're going to do is you'll read about what it's like to be an Asian during coronavirus. So if you are somebody who's like, I don't feel like reading, you can always click here and there is going to be a recording of it. So it'll take you to, you have to find yours though. So it'd be racism in America, article, there it is, article 2. So it'll take you here and you'll be able to, after it loads, you get the gist. It'll take you there and you can hear a recording of it. So what you'll also notice is as you're reading these articles, you'll see that there are different color boxes. So a green box means it's an ELA question. So actually I'm going to scroll up here because there's a little box. So it says green boxes are ELA questions. Blue boxes are for global. So as you're reading, you're going to answer these questions and it tells you how many points they are. So you want to make sure that you're doing that. So you'll answer the question, read, answer the question, read, answer the question. You get the gist, right? So you're going to keep doing that until you get to the bottom of your article. Pretty much every article that you're going to read, or well, you're only reading one, is going to end with kind of a similar issue about enduring issues connected to the article, which is a global question. And sometimes with ELA, you'll get something about central idea or themes, things like that. After you've done your questions for your one article, that's it. You're done with assignment 1. I know you're going to be like, but there's so many other things. You don't have to read them. All you have to do is pick one. If you want to read a different one, say you're like, I'm really interested in about free and reduced meals and who's like getting that. You could scroll down to the economic issue ones and read about that as well, but you don't have to. If you want to read a second one, it's extra credit. But that's it. So after you finish this, you'll click turn it in, and then you're done with assignment 1. Assignment 1 is so easy. It just looks kind of scary because it's so long. So that is it. Reminder, we are going to be available for you on Monday to help you with any of the questions in the assignment. So please send us any emails before then or come to the live ELA sessions with your ELA and your global teachers will be joining if you have any questions about it. All right.